Did you know the most expensive airplane crash ever involved just two people? Airplanes are expensive. No surprise there. But some aircraft, especially complicated military aircraft, are so pricey that they shatter records when they crash. That's the case with the Andersen Air Force Base incident involving a B-2 Spirit, also known as the stealth bomber. The crash involved just two aviators and cost the United States government $1.4 billion. It was the most expensive airplane crash ever. The Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit stealth bomber is an eye-opening tool in the United States military arsenal. As a strategic bomber with stealth capability, the flying wing can penetrate anti-aircraft defenses and deliver a payload without alerting enemy forces to its presence. And as you might imagine, the B-2 is not cheap. Any incident involving a B-2 bomber is always newsworthy. In 2008, two United States Air Force pilots took off from Andersen Air Force Base in Guam aboard a stealth bomber on a flight plan to Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri. Unfortunately, shortly after takeoff, the pilots dealt with failing port transducer units, or PTUs, feeding false information to the aircraft's air data system. As a result of the moisture in the B-2's PTUs, the air data system prompted the flight control computers to factor inaccurate airspeed and angle. Consequently, the B-2 stealth bomber's wing contacted the Earth, leading to a brutal crash. Fortunately, the two pilots ejected safely with minimal injury. However, the Spirit of Kansas was no more. Despite the unharmed service members, the crash claimed the 12th of the country's stealth bombers. The cost of the incident was around $1.4 billion. Yes, billion with a B. As a result, the 2008 incident was the most expensive airplane crash ever. Make sure to subscribe for more content in the future.